Tawarin sila. OnlyFans what? I don't have OnlyFans. I have only Patreon or Aloha. Okay? And Aloha pala. If you wanna see me there. Cheers, guys. Ubusin ko na to. Ubus na. Bukas ulit. Hello, mom. How are you? I love you. I wanna bring you to my life. Where? Where are you gonna bring me? Frisco's Country Life. Hi, can you be my friends, Mr. Agustinos? Molly, Molly. Oh my goodness, you're so handsome, my God. I like your nose. What the fudge? What? My goodness, what a nice nose you have. So very pointy nose. You have also blue eyes or green eyes. I think you have green eyes. Chris. I'm sleepy now, Lord, dapat. Kanda Babang Tambans. Oh, my friend, how are you? My goodness. It's been a long time. I'm from Philippines, Mr. Hi. How are you, my dear friend? Santa TV, my goodness, how are you, my friend? I hope you're doing well. How are you for today's video? You can connect each other, guys, to this one channel. Thank you for the like, Mr. Fresco's Countryside. Good evening from India. Good evening also. It's evening also here. Thank you so much. Hello, Mr. Sugar.